Hi sir, I am Sabia from CSE E section. Today my topic is Introduction to Engines, 4-stroke engine working and SI engine working. Introduction to engines. Engine is nothing but converting chemical energy into mechanical energy. They are essential components of various vehicles and machines. Understanding their operation is key to optimizing performance and efficiency. What is an engine? An engine is a machine designed to convert energy fuel into mechanical work. The common type includes internal combustion engine and external combustion engines. Internal combustion engines include both spark ignition and compression ignition (CI) engines. The four-stroke engine. The four-stroke engine includes intake, combustion, power, and exhaust. The intake stroke drives in the air-fuel mixture into the cylinder. During the combustion stroke, the piston compresses the mixture to increase efficiency. The power stroke ignites the mixture, forcing the piston, followed by the exhaust stroke. Working principle of SI engines. SI is nothing but spark ignition engines. The working cycle of SI engine consists of four-stroke intake, compression, power, and exhaust. During the combustion stroke, the air fuel mixture is compressed and ignited by spark. The explosion pushes down, creating the power necessary for the engine's operation. This is four-stroke cycle. How now see how it's work. First, intake air fuel mixture is drawn in. During the stroke, invalid valves open and exhaust valves closed. The pressure in the cylinder will be atmosphere as the piston moves from the TDC to BDC. TDC is nothing but top dead center and BDC is nothing but bottom down center. The volume in the cylinder increase while simultaneously pressure decrease, and these create a pressure difference between atmosphere and inside of the cylinder. At the end of the stroke, the cylinder will be filled completely with change and invalid valve is closed. Second one is compression stroke. Air is filled mixture is compressed. During this stroke, both the invalid and exhaust valves are closed. The piston moves from top and bottom down to top down center. As the stroke being performed, the charge contained in the cylinder will be compressed, so the pressure and temperature change increased, which will increase the pressure of constant volume. And third one is power stroke. Explosion forces piston. Power stroke. During this stroke, the both invalid and exhaust valves are closed. The pistons moves from top down to bottom down center. The high pressure and high temperature burnt gases force the piston to perform this stroke called power stroke. This stroke is also known as expansion of working stroke. The engine produces mechanical work to or power during the stroke. This will suddenly bring the cylinder pressure to atmosphere pressure. Now, last one is exhaust. Piston pushes out burn gases. During this stroke, the exhaust valve opens and inlet valve is closed. Piston moves from BDC to TDC, and during this motion, piston pushes the exhaust gases out of the cylinder at constant pressure. Again, the invalid valve and the new cycle start. Now, advantages of four-stroke engines. Four-stroke engines are generally more fuel efficient than two-stroke engines. They are produce lower emissions, making them more environment friendly. Their design allows for better cooling and durability over time. Every two revolutions of crankshaft, it produces one power stroke. Four-stroke engines high initial cost compared to two-stroke engines. Four-stroke engines are larger engine size. In four-stroke engine, it requires more general maintenance. Overview of four-stroke engines. Four-stroke engines are complete a power cycle in four-stroke of the piston. They are widely used in automobiles, or motorcycle and small engines. The four-stroke are intake, compression, power and exhaust. Introduction to SI engines. SI engine is nothing but spark ignition. SI engines are use a spark plug to initiate the air fuel mixture. They typically run on gasoline, which has a high volatility. SI engines are common in passenger vehicles and light duty applications. There are few different type of spark ignition engines. Fuel injection system, four-stroke engine, strike four engine. Fuel injection system control the ratio of air and fuel in the mixture and delivers it into the cylinder at right time. Four-stroke engine uses for piston stroke and complete one operating cycle intake, compression, power and exhaust. Four strike four engine, a common configuration found in a modern cars with an inline layout. Advantages of SI engines. Lower noise. SI engine tends to be a quieter in operation compared to CI engines. Smooth operation. They provide smoother and more refined power delivery, ideal for passenger vehicles. Lightweighter. SI engines are generally lighter than SI engines, CI engines, contributing to better fuel efficiency. Less vibration. They produce fewer vibrations, enhancing driving comfort. Disadvantages of engine. Lower thermal efficiency. SI engines are generally less thermal, thermally efficient than CI engines. Higher fuel consumption. They tend to consume more fuel for the same power output compared to CI engines. Knocking. SI engines are prone to knocking when lower octane fuels are used, damaging the engines. Shorter engine life. They may have a shorter overall lifespan compared to CI engine, especially in high stress applications. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.